Hello traders, let me hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, again we are going to be talking about change of character. So meaning that again we are going to be seeing how do we know that the market is going bullish, how do we know that the market is going bearish. So guys, again I want you to look at this area here down. Okay, the market was doing this, the market was giving up, down, up, down, up, down, and then up. Then the market started doing this. Okay, so now guys, we are going to transfer these things. We put them down here down. Now I want you guys to understand, look at this. The market was giving us high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Now listen, this is what the market did. I want you to understand where the magic is coming from. Okay, so now this candle here, when the market gave us a high, the market came here down. The market was supposed to, this is supposed to be a high. Remember, look, let me show you. Let me put it here down so that you guys can see. This was the last area where the market went at. This was the last area where the market went at. So the market came below, okay? This was the high. The market gave us a high low. So the market was supposed to go above to break this last area, which is the high. The market failed to break. What did it do? The market ended up giving us a lower high, lower low. So what does this mean? It means the market has changed the direction. Remember, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. The market has changed character here. So how do you know that? This is what you do. You mark the last area where the market last gave you. So now this is our high low, because again the market hasn't broken this area down and the market hasn't is still in a bullish form. So if anything above this we are buying, anything below this we are selling. So what did the market do? The market broke this area. This was our high low, meaning that the market, instead of going up to give us a high to break this area, the market failed to break this area. So the market ended up breaking this area. So meaning that now the market has changed the trend. We are now bearish. If we are now bearish, what do? You can't sell from this area. You have to wait for the market to come back, make a correction. If the market breaks an area to change the direction, it always comes back. As it comes back, this is now our lower low. It comes back and makes a high, a lower high, then it continues, break this area. This is another lower low. This is another lower high. So what is the best entry? If the market breaks this area, which is our high low, remember the market was going to the upside. It breaks this area, which is our high low. It goes above, it fails to break this area. Now it comes and breaks this area. If it breaks this area, what do? Wait for the market to come back at this area. Okay, because it has broken it. Now end up selling from here, because again the market has failed. Now you have two confirmation. The market failed to break this area, it stopped in the middle. Okay, but remember, still anything above this is still bullish. Now the market broke below, so meaning that instead of giving us a high, the market ended up giving us a lower low. So meaning that this is a lower low, the market has come back to make a retracement. So if you see this candle going to the downside in 1 hour, go to 15 minutes, wait for the market to come back at this last area where it has broken, look for a sell to go to the downside. This is the same thing we are seeing over here. Okay, the market was going up, down, up, down, up, down. Now this area refused to pass this last area up. The market ended up stopping here, it went down. So the market had broken this area. This is the last area the market had broken. So this is where you wait for the entry from. The last area where the market broke to continue to the downside. Very clean structure, very, very clean. Okay, so if it was going up and you see the market changing, if the market gives us this area, it fails. Remember, look here. The market went up, went down. The market went up, came here. The market failed to break this last area. This is the last area where buyers got in at. It failed to break this area. It stopped here. Now, instead of going to break this last area, it also failed. It stopped here in the midway. What does it mean? Here we are still bullish. Now, if the market came and broke this last area, okay, the market came and broke this last area, This is the last area where what? Buyers got in at. This is the last area. Now, it also broke this last area where other buyers had gotten in but failed to break there above. The market went to the downside, wait for the retracement at this last area where it broke. Okay, execute the trade, then the market is going to give you another lower low. It's going to come give you another lower high. It's going to continue to the downside if it is to continue. If it goes and it fails to make a lower low, and then start giving you lower high, and then you change the direction. You understand? So guys, again, let me hope you have understood something. I will see you guys again in the next video.